Welcome to Daily Tax Savings. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on saving taxes and staying out of tax trouble. Today's topic is proactive accounting versus executive coaching. First, let's just start with defining what those things are. So, you might have noticed if you spend any time online, in social media, LinkedIn particularly, that there is a huge emphasis in the accounting industry to do proactive accounting. That makes sense. It's what clients want, doing more than just collecting the financial statement at the end of the year and filing a tax return. Proactive accounting, what I would say boils down to in my small business niche, is a series of suggestions or inputs. We call it planting a seed. We're not uh, dictating or demanding or pushing, but we're saying, hey, have you considered this? Or this is coming down the road. Or keep an eye out for this. Or this is what some of my other clients are doing that's working out very well. Those are all types of proactive accounting types of things, and it's a wonderful idea. What I see, however, is that some online confuse that with executive coaching. We executive coaching, business coaching, interchangeable terms here. The word executive meaning addressing the cognitive thinking patterns that causes us to execute actions and behavior. So that's where the word executive, it doesn't mean, as some people think, uh, corporate executives. It's not how that word is used here. It's used to talk about the behavioral and actions of an individual. So coaching is quite different than proactive accounting. Um, it's not so easy just to say, well, I can do proactive accounting, so I can jump into coaching. Coaching is a different skill set. Um, in my estimation, requires additional training, additional certification, uh, just the same as an accountant might say, I want to expand and be more proactive, and I'm going to start offering therapy and legal services and coaching. No, it doesn't make sense to do that unless you have the proper training and certifications to do that. Uh, um, Making a comparison in the legal field, there are very specific, limited legal things that we can offer, and we need to be aware of that, aware of the limitations. We need to be aware of when we're addressing a client's behavior, where there is a therapy issue that is beyond coaching and beyond what we're going to address in proactive accounting. So, in all those cases, we need to make that distinction. For now, let's just say that coaching starts with the client listening to what the goals are, what the obstacles are, where the sticking points are, and allowing a client to come up with solutions themselves. The end result will be highly effective, increasing profits, reducing taxes, if that's the goal. But again, a very different work process than proactive accounting. They both have their place, but it's important to understand the difference and how they can work together. If you have any thoughts, comments, feedback, I'd love to hear. Uh, I'm easy to reach on social media, or if you want to talk one on one, that's easy also. Find me at taxproblems.cpa website, and we'll set a time to talk. I'll be back tomorrow with another Tax Savings Minute.